Welcome to No Se Habla Taxes, the podcast where a CPA does her own bookkeeping and lives to tell about it. I'm Melissa Armstrong, a fractional controller, solo practice owner, and financial translator for founders who'd really rather do literally anything else than reconcile a bank statement. Today, I have a confession. So I recently sat down to do my own books, just a regular old month end close for my business. Nothing fancy. Should have been muscle memory, right? Except I could not for the life of me figure out where QuickBooks Online moved the reconciliation screen. I clicked, I searched, I squinted, I even asked ChatGPT. At one point, I had 3 tabs open: a YouTube tutorial, the QBO Help Center, and a glass of wine. And that's when it hit me. I've been in executive and leadership teams for so long that technology has evolved without me. I've been the one reviewing reports and making strategic decisions, not the one manually updating bank feeds or digging into the weeds. QuickBooks has had more updates than Beyonce's hair. And here I am, still trying to part the Red Sea of uncategorized transactions. So this is me, a CPA with 21 years in the game, officially announcing I'm going back to get recertified as a QuickBooks Pro advisor. Yep, it's happening. And if that sounds dramatic, I want you to know it's actually not a failure. It's a recalibration. So, why am I telling you this? Because if I, who literally teaches this stuff, can feel behind, then you, my dear founder and solopreneur, are doing just fine. The reality is QuickBooks, spreadsheets, categorization rules, none of this is intuitive for most people. You're not lazy, you're building a business, and sometimes the back end gets messy. You know it. But you know what? Here's the truth. The longer you wait to get a rhythm in place, the more expensive it becomes financially and emotionally. So if you're DIYing your bookkeeping because outsourcing just isn't in the budget yet, that's okay. But let me offer you the single most underrated tool in your arsenal: a month and close checklist. Okay, so none of that rolling your eyes at me. This does not have to be complicated. Your checklist is not about making things perfect. It's about creating a repeatable rhythm so you're not reinventing the wheel or drowning in transactions every month. Here's what a basic no muss month end checklist should look like. Step 1, you reconcile your bank accounts, your credit cards, your Venmo, PayPal, whatever you use. Just make sure your transactions match the statement. Step 2, review. Clean up anything that is uncategorized. Double check your Ask My Accountant bucket and look for duplicates or any weirdness. Step 3, download or save a profit and loss and a balance sheet. Even if nobody is asking you for it, this is your dashboard. Even if it just confirms that Uber Eats was your top vendor last month, it is still insight. Plus, if anything happens to your accounting system, if your account gets hacked, if you lost the data, at least you have a backup in your files that you can build upon. Bonus tip, just pick a consistent day, like the first Friday of every month, and block off an hour to do this. Call it your money CEO hour. Make it a non-negotiable. Light a candle, play Beyonce. Actually, no. Play something cooler. And then whatever gets you in the zone, have a margarita. The goal isn't perfection. It's progress and visibility. So that's my confession. I got rusty, I fell behind, and instead of spiraling, I made a plan. If you're DIYing your books and trying to figure out as you go, I see you. I made this podcast exactly for you. In the next episode, I am breaking down one of the biggest mistakes I see over and over and a personal pet peeve of mine. I'll talk about how to fix it without losing your mind and in a way that works for you. Okay? If this resonated with you, make sure to subscribe to No Se Habla Taxes wherever you listen to podcasts. And if you want my free month-end mini checklist, the one that I am using myself now that I have humbled myself back to bookkeeping basics, go ahead and look at the link in the show notes where you can sign up. I'll send you a freebie, and then you'll get all of the latest news about the podcast and the coaching program that I am launching this fall. Until next time, stay scrappy, stay smart, and keep your receipts. Pesos and abundant cash flow for you, my friend. Goodbye.